This is the snack sack. It's constructed from a 600D polyester that is water resistant. It is fully insulated. We're gonna look inside in a little bit, but we're gonna call out first, we recommend using an ice block. Do not use loose ice in this. You're gonna get all sorts of dripping, not seam sealed. So ice block this baby, especially when you're packing 16 beers in here. But whoa, slow down. We'll get there in a second. We do have KAVU webbing daisy chain down the front to hook things to. You have a welt entry pocket here that goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. Perfect for utensils, chopsticks, things like that. You have a zipper pocket on here as well. Great for some wet wipes or napkins. Your main compartment is a two-way zip. Open this bad boy up. Here we go. This thing is a hauler. We're gonna talk about these awesome bevies we've gotten here because there's 16 cans this thing will hold. Also will hold a full 6-pack of bottles. I don't know, you could also put some bento boxes in there. We haven't counted it, but I bet you could put at least 24 tuna fish sandwiches. You want some maybe, I don't know, potato salad, a pineapple? Delicious. Some watermelon slices. Whatever your heart desires is gonna fit in here. Did you count all those? Because we're almost done. That was 16 cans, people. You also have a padded handle carry on the top and a detachable crossbody adjustable strap. That is the snack sack.